Your CapCut app might edit videos properly, but the playback is lagging on your iPhone, making it hard to see your edits properly. Most users get stuck here, frustrated and unsure what to do. But in this video, I'll show you how to fix playback lag so your videos play smoothly while editing in CapCut. So let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Force quit recent app. Swipe up from the bottom. Now find the CapCut recent uses task. Then swipe CapCut again. But this time, swipe CapCut away to close it completely. Now reopen the app. Solution 2. Clear CapCut cache. Open up the CapCut app, then tap on the profile icon or Me tab. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next tap Clear Cache below. Then tap Confirm and it's been cleared. Solution 3. Empty trash folder. Go to the CapCut app again. Then tap on Project tab below. After that, tap on Trash on the top. Then tap Select. Now select all the projects. Next, tap Delete, and then tap Delete again to confirm deletion. And your trash is empty now. Solution 4. Free up the iPhone storage. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete app. Finally, tap the Delete app again. Solution 5. Offload the CapCut app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Now try restarting your iPhone and then start editing again. Hope this time you can run CapCut smoothly. And that's it. Thanks for watching.